Hi there, YouTube. Today I made one of these launchers that, they're amusing. My cat's been helping me looking for this. Oh, she would go for this. Let's see? She saw that one, right? And that one on my bed, so she's gonna go for it. My stuff. It's really dark. And there's my other cat. Just move the bed with one hand. Showing my cat's butt. There's my friend's example. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Scared my other cat. So we'll push this again. Now where did the other piece go? Oh, there it is. Well, the stuff you need is just scissors and this pencil, mechanical, pen springs. They're in here. Yeah, I have this rolls one that's big that got stuck in there, and this long one that I attached to that. So yeah, here we go. Okay. It's decent. For me, it's like decent because it's a small room. Really small room. So